One of the things about chain punching, I don't think you actually chain punch. I think you chain hit. He's going to throw 3 punches. I'm going to pock, and I'm going to throw 3. Okay. Don't have to go fast.
What she's talking about Saturday.
Wait until you feel it. Bang. Slow it down. You get plenty of workout.
It's been eye-opening stuff. I really like it.
Yes, now. And I'm doing it, so you block it, and I retract this back. So you gonna stay in contact with this as this is coming back and strike with that one?
Ideally,
Right.
so you punch, right?
Right.
Your desire to get it back creates the hesitation.
Okay.
So yes, the ideal would be whoa.
Okay.
That would be the ideal.
So you probably got somewhere between 55 and 57.
Again, thinking along this idea of chain punch, that's not actually a chain punch, it's a chain of hits. It's hand replacement, it's strike, strike, strike.
So other side.
So
This one.
uppercut, hammer fist, sat, sow, kick. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. So for the feeder, have the opposite hand already ready. So the uppercut hand goes boom, 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 boom. No, not that one. Well, if that's the first one, is that your first uppercut?
Yes.
Okay, if that's your first uppercut, then yeah, it's going to go 1, 2, 3. But that one can already be ready, sitting out
Okay,
in
I
space.
get what you're saying.
Instead of having to wait for it, I go whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Got it.
That's my chain, right? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And then the other side, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay? 3 minutes. Go for it.